Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So this is by far one of my favorite reference images, and then the way my painting turned out. So my painting is on the left side and the reference image is on the right side. Yes, there's a couple things I would change if I was painting it again, like that shadow right above the frame of the window, to make it lighter in colors. But also I think I would have painted it actually wet on wet instead, just like that shadow on the bottom. So bottom left corner, coming from there, you have another shadow. So here is the picture of the first layer. So it's the first layer for the wall, and that's the only layer for the wall, and then the first layer for the shutters. This is also the only layer for the shutters, but then we have that second layer because of the shadow. So this is the finished painting. I really love it, and I think you're gonna love it too. Here is my sketch. Please feel free to download it to use it as your reference, and a list of some of the colors I used, with an addition of the marine blue that I added for the shutters for the window. The first thing is I'm preparing the color mix. So on the right side I wrote undertone color mix. So cobalt blue for the blue, quin red for the red, and then we have yellow. So yellow ochre plus imidazzolone lemon. I've been using imidazzolone lemon because I ran out of imidazzolone yellow, so I haven't gotten it yet in the mail. In addition, I diluted some of the Van Dyke brown with water. So now I have this kind of shadow mix. This is like a basically primary colors: red, blue, and yellow, and that's all you care about, just red, blue, and yellow, because that's how you create a natural gray. And then it's just a matter of how much red or how much blue or how much yellow you use to make it a yellow gray or red gray or blue gray. So I'm going to start with painting the wall wet on dry. There's just so much happening. We have like pieces of paint coming off on the bottom, below the window, and then we have all these cracks. Then we have lots of like whiter areas from that paint underneath the blue. You want to kind of start with undertones. So if you see like that blue has some tone to it, it's not just like a pretty manganese blue, nova blue, they might as well like add some violet, and just not add the blues everywhere like I am adding it right now. And search for the areas where you have these kind of open areas, so where the paint peeled off.